Okay, so quick video to show you how our game bird engineering system brooder huts work. This is a row of them. I think we've got 9 in this row. This is a new site for us this year, and as you can see we've had quite a lot of rain. They start off on the end, a single night shelter, and you have a double brooder, double night shelter, double brooder, double night shelter, etc. until you get a single night shelter on the end. As you can see, it's a terrace system, so everything's in one long line. Now that has a lot of advantages. It saves a lot of ground, no space in between. It's so much easier to check the birds. Just walk along, look in the door, look in the door, look in the door, look in the door. Couldn't be any easier for that. No walking around in circles. Come to feeding, straight in the doors, drive right along the front. As you can see, we have been doing so. Bedding up, we use a lot of straw, chopped straw, blow it straight in the door with a straw chopper. And shortly these are going to be fitted with our new feeder system, so then we can just drive right along the front, fill up all the feeders from the outside. It saves an awful lot of time. The birds start off in here. This is the brooder hut. 2 gas bottles on the front to the changeover valve which feeds the 2 brooders inside. Inside, gas brooder, drinker bars. We start these off, chicks in this shed, on trays. They then go to manolas, which these birds are 4 weeks old, so the manolas have gone outside. Here's the gas brooder system. Simple system, but unlike anybody else's, this one goes off. It's got 2 tubes on there, one for a pilot light, one for the main burner. It's not a very warm day today, but it's off, it's on pilot light only. It's hardly using any gas at all. We can frequently get away with only using 3 bottles even in cold weather on these sheds. Some people have got down to 1.5 if they have a warm couple of weeks when we start. Sheds are fully insulated, twin skin roof, twin skin walls in the brooder, and it's all plastic coated steel sheets, easy to wash and clean. And as you can see, it's a dry environment. We straw them up at about 3 weeks old to give them a bit more bedding, particularly on a sloped shaving settle a lot. But as you can see, it's dry underneath the drinkers. It's a nice clean and warm environment for them to come in and keep warm. The dryness, I think, keeps away a lot of problems like coccidiosis, hexameter, etc. You certainly don't get any of those problems in this type of setup in a normal rearing season. Again, metal clad all the way around, everything's metal or plastic. Bolt on the door, you can padlock that if you want to. Once the birds have let them out to the night shelter, this is the night shelter. So they come out of that pop hole, they then run along the back. There's a door at the back to go into the run, and then pop hole to go outside. We have 6 manolas in here at this stage, otherwise I said we'll shortly be changed to the new feeders. And then you can just see the run, so all the runs are parallel along the back, and the first section in the run is a gate. So when you're walking, when you're letting the birds out, you walk right along the back, just lift up the pop holes, and the same when you're shutting, walk right along the back. You don't have to keep opening and closing the gates to walk in and out through everywhere. Just open and close the gates as you walk along the back. So that saves an awful lot of time. So that's simply how the system works.